Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an unique AI template. So where you can make instant literature review in seconds. So if you are struggling to write literature review or if you are in a urge to make any research paper. So if you want to make a literature review very easy, this template will be very useful for you. So just by using your references, you can generate a perfect literature review. This one will be very helpful, especially for writing conference papers. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use that AI template for your literature review writing. So for that, go to lmssolution.ted.in. So here you will be having LMS AI option. So just to click on that LMS AI option. So in this LMS AI templates, you will be having different kinds of AI templates, especially designed for research paper writing. In this video, I am going to show you an AI template called reference to content. Just to click on that reference to content template. So here it will ask please add 5 references. So and also it will ask citation style. You have to give that 5 references and citation style. So in order to do so, I am going to take a paper here. So this is the paper I am going to take. So for example, if you are taking it as a reference paper, I am having some list of references here. So here I am having some references. So you can copy that references. So I am going to take 5 references, first 5 references, copy that references. Go to that respective template, reference to content. So and then you can paste here. So you can give whatever the citation style you want to be cited. So for example, I am going to give APA style. So after giving all these things, so just click on generate content. This template is especially designed to make an instant literature review. So this will be very helpful for you to make an instant literature review just by adding the respective references. So here comes the literature review. So here you can see that the development of a multi-port DC to DC converter has gained significant attention in recent years due to their ability to efficiently manage energy from multiple sources. So here you can see that WETAL. So this is the first citation. So here this is the first citation. Second citation, like that all the 5 papers are cited properly up to this citation. This is how you can make an instant literature review using this reference to content template. So in the same way, you can do the rest of the references also. Just I am going to copy and paste the reference list from 6 to 10. Go then copy 6 to 10. So and then just click on generate content. So it will analyze that the respective content, that is the references we have given. After that, it will generate the content for you. So here comes the content from 6 to 10. So here you can see that this is the content. So just copy and paste the content for your research paper writing. So you can use the same in your literature review part of your research paper and make your research paper writing, literature review writing simple and easy using this respective template. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that just click on this plans and pricing option. For just $199, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get 1 plagiarism plus 1 AI report per plan. And important thing is that so you can have unlimited access for all our LMS AI templates. And the best value pack is that $999. You can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year and you can get 1 plagiarism plus 1 AI report per plan. And also you can have unlimited access for 1 year. So we will be adding new AI templates for our research paper writing often. So you can access that templates also. So these are the different templates which is present in this LMS AI, especially designed for research paper writing and make your research paper writing process simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.